Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss how to set competitive prices on eBay. Firstly, of course, open eBay application on your device and then open selling section at the bottom side of your screen. Open all your settings and go to active listings. Select the product you want to adjust and tap Edit. So scroll down to the pricing section and tap on the price field. Before setting a number, basically a price for your product, tap the searching icon at the top of the application, or here you can see search option. And look for similar items. Check both active listings and recently sold listings to see what buyers are actually paying. Pay attention to the condition, brand, and any extras included. Make sure you're comparing apples to apples, let's say. If you are selling a brand new item, price slightly below the average to catch more attention. But if it's a used item, offer a little more flexibility depending on the condition of your product. Also consider offering free shipping and factoring that cost into your price. So listings with free shipping often look more attractive to buyers and rank higher in the search results. You can also tap Allow Offers to let buyers negotiate about the price, which will give you flexibility without lowering your starting price too much. But if you sell something from the competitive category, consider pricing just a little lower than similar listings to grab attention of the buyers without slashing your profits. And once you have decided about your price, tap Save button to refresh your listing. And that's exactly how you set competitive and smart prices on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.